What's good, buddies? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's Royal. Go ahead, hit that subscribe, like, comment already just because you're trying to show some love. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. You got you a nice brand new 4K TV, right? It's new. You just like, oh, look at me. I got 4K. I'm watching in 4K Ultra HD. Nah, sorry to break it to you. Just because you got a 4K TV does not mean you're watching in 4K. Yeah, I don't know if I upsetted you, but I'm going to go ahead and break it down for you. Just because you got a 4K TV doesn't mean you're watching in 4K. Owning a 4K TV only says that your maximum output of the resolution is 4K. So basically, you can watch up to 4K. So how do you achieve watching in 4K? The content that you're watching, what's displayed on the TV, that content itself must be in 4K, and then you'll be watching 4K TV on your brand new 4K TV. So are you watching cable in 4K? Probably not, because most cable channels, they don't have 4K content. You know, they probably just have HD content. You know how you're watching channel 4 and it says, do you want to watch this in HD? There's like a handful of stations that say, do you want to watch this in Ultra HD? Okay, so where do I watch 4K TV at? Streaming services, Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Amazon, Dolby. They have the capability of producing 4K content. They have 4K content. Not everything is in 4K, but they have a nice library of 4K content, right? So if you don't have Google, Roku built into your TV, you must get you an external device that produces 4K content. For example, the Chromecast. You got the Chromecast and the Chromecast Ultra. The Chromecast does not produce 4K. The Chromecast Ultra produces 4K. So if you got that, then your content can be displayed in 4K. On your 4K, then you'll be watching 4K. Roku got the option. Amazon got the option. Apple TV got those options. So you just got to make sure that the content is displayed on your 4K TV. It has to be in 4K so you can watch in 4K. And once you get ready to watch that 4K, you will see the difference from what you was watching before on your 4K. So again, in order to watch 4K TV on your 4K television, that content itself must be in 4K, and then you can brag and let everybody know you watching in 4K. You know, I just wanted to make that little quick video to help you out, because you probably got you a new 4K and you probably thought you was watching in 4K. So yeah, I just wanted to help out. But you made it to the end of this video. I definitely appreciate you. You know, go ahead and leave a like, comment, hit that subscribe button for me one time. You ain't got to never do it again. But tell a friend to tell another friend to come to my channel, watch a couple videos, subscribe, like, you know what I'm saying? So that's it. I'm going to holler at y'all later. Be easy.